In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to cancel an Audible membership on Amazon. First, open your preferred web browser on your computer or mobile device. In the search bar, type in Amazon.com, then hit enter. This will take you to the Amazon homepage, where you can access all of your account details. Next, if you are not already logged in, the site will prompt you to do so. Enter your email address and password to access your account. This step ensures you have the necessary permissions to manage your subscriptions. Now, once you are logged in, move your mouse pointer to hover over your name at the top right corner of the page. A drop-down menu will appear. From this menu, click on the option labeled Memberships and Subscriptions. This section is where you will find all your active subscriptions, including Audible. After that, scroll through the list to find your Audible subscription. Once located, you will see an option to manage your subscription. Click on Manage to proceed to the next step. This will direct you to a page with more details about your Audible membership. On the Management page, look for the option that says Cancel Membership and click on it. This button initiates the cancellation process, and the site might provide you with some information about what you are about to cancel. Then, you will see a button labeled Continue to Cancel. Click this button to proceed. Amazon often asks users to confirm their intention to cancel, so this step is necessary. It ensures that you genuinely want to stop your membership. Finally, you will arrive at the last step, which is to click Confirm Cancellation. Once you do this, your Audible membership will be officially canceled. You might receive a confirmation email, so keep an eye on your inbox for that. And there you have it. You have successfully canceled your Audible membership on Amazon. Remember, you can always rejoin Audible in the future if you change your mind. I hope this guide was helpful and straightforward.